So my name is Alex Mitchum. I work for Telico Partners. We do grading, site work and development, underground utilities, land clearing, storm, sewer, water line install. R35 or mini excavator from Hyundai. We've had that machine since it was brand new in 2015. It's got over 3,000 hours on it and it is still going strong. It's a wonderful piece of equipment. It's compact, easy to use, smooth operation. Everything on it is easy when it comes to serviceability with it. The machine is more than plentiful with power and compared to other machines of that same size. And I've run a lot in the 35 class, and Hyundai is definitely one of the top compared to all of the rest of them. So normally what we do is we do a lot of grading and clearing. Currently we're doing a job, it's 250 acres clearing and grading for a solar farm. We've got we've got every machine we own out there. And the Hyundai has come into play because we're working in really tight confined areas, even though it is 250 acres, being a solar farm. There's metal I-beams spaced about every 15 feet in a giant grid pattern. So there's not much room to work, and when we have to dig these small trenches and dig up right next to things, the little Hyundai 35 does a phenomenal job with that. It allows you to, use the boom swing and get right up against the piles and not have to worry about hitting them. It's powerful, it digs through the tough dirt, it digs through anything that's down there. We've hit solid quartz. That machine's been able to chip at it and get it broken down. And it's great like that. So typically we'll do work, moving dirt. We do the above ground first. We'll clear land, get all the trees, debris, roots, stumps out of there. And then we'll go through and do the underground. And then after we do the underground, we'll do the final grading on it. So the HX160 that's out here at the Utility Expo right now that I demoed, I was blown away with it. It's a lot of machine in a small footprint. It's got extreme power. Everything about that machine is easy, from the display setup to the control layout. The operator space is extremely comfortable. There's plenty of foot room. The AC is wonderful on it. It's just the visibility out of the machine all around is fantastic. It's got a backup camera. I was blown away just by the machine's performance, and the machine was really responsive. Just an overall fantastic machine. A Hyundai 160 would come into place because we do a lot of storm, water, and sewer. And so with that being said, we need to set structures like manholes, dog houses, things like that, dig trenches for pipe, lay that pipe. That machine has ample power to do that, and it would be wonderful in that application for our business. So what makes Hyundai stand out from its competition, in my opinion, is dealer support, ease of serviceability, and operator comfort. Operator comfort, in my opinion, is number one on any piece of equipment because it's essentially my office. It's anybody who runs that machine, it's their office space. They get in it 10, 12, sometimes even 14, 15 hours a day. You want it to be comfortable. You want it to be, a space where you can sit in it all day and not have any issues. You want to be productive with it. Hyundai machines were just designed with the operator in mind. So every morning when I go to grease my machines, check all my fluids, clean my air filter, top anything, top off the fuel, any def, things like that. When I go to do all that in the morning, it's easy, it's quick. It doesn't take me more than 15 minutes. I'm in, I'm out, and I've started my day at work. That is something that a lot of other competitors have trouble with. When I go to check fluids on other brands, it's me sitting here looking around going, where is it? Where is it? It's hard to get on. I have to climb up and into the machine in certain times for other competitors, and it's just not easy. But when I get on a Hyundai, it's quick, simple, easy. It allows me to get to work. My day is productive. I don't have to worry about anything, and it's all right there. So they really think about the operator. They think about the person who owns it and is going to be on it. They think about making a machine that's good for day in, day out use, strenuous all day, full throttle, go, go, go. So things like that, like I said, that's just what makes a Hyundai, and that is the competitive edge. That's the Hyundai edge, in my opinion. That's what does it for me as opposed to competitors.